Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video I'll show you that how student can see their grades and their other information. So in LifterLMS, we have student dashboard. From the student dashboard, student can see all their course related details. So here is my student dashboard, and I can see all my course related details here, my courses, my memberships, my grades. So student can see their grades from their dashboard. So if I click on my grades, I'll be able to see my grades. So as you can see here, I have all my courses, my enrollment date, my progress bar, and here is the grade section. So in these two courses, you can see in one of the course I have 100% grade, and one of the course I have 67% grade. So if I click on this, also I can click on any specific course to see more details. So here you can see my specific course grade. So here is the progress and here is the overall grade of my course. As you can see, on these two lesson I have 100% grade, but on this lesson I have 0% grade. That's the reason the overall grade is 66.76. So this is how student can see their grade from their student dashboard. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.